हाँ चालेल सर, काय अडचण नाही. हा मेल चालू आहे सर. मी पहिल्या लिंकला मी जॉईन केलेलंच आहे. जॉईन झालो मी आता. हो चालेल का? सर ते 31 सॉरी 2 तारखेला. हा नाही नाही.
Hi Gajanan, good evening.
Hi sir, good evening sir.
So how are you?
I am fine sir. What about sir? What about you sir?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. Okay. So Gajanan, we as Downtown Coders inviting you for your first mock interview.
Thank you
So
sir.
yes. So let's begin. Okay. So Gajanan, can you just brief me about yourself? By that I will know about you.
Okay sir. Absolutely sir. Sir, myself Kadam Gajanan Madhukar. I have completed my graduation from MGM College of Engineering Nanded in 2010. After that I joined for lectureship in Matusri Pratishthan Vishwabhati Polytechnic Engineering Nanded. I am working there as a lecturer from 2011 to 2014. After that, I overcharged as a HOD from 2014 till date. Uh, after that, my roommate is from totally computer background. So that's why my interest is returning towards the coding languages. So that's why I interested to do the job in IT sector also. That's why now I am doing some courses. For example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, so that's why now I am here.
Oh, okay, that's nice to hear. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. So Gajanan, can
Yes,
you
sir.
just tell me about your strengths and weaknesses?
Sir, my strength is that I will do the work with the team. That means I can manage the team for doing the better work. So that is my biggest, I can say, the strong point, because I work as a HOD from last 5 years, 5 to 6 years.
Yes. Okay, so you are a team player.
And my weak point is that whenever I do any work, so in that work I goes throughout the that means for the deep session. So after that I will complete that work within the given period of time.
Oh,
So that is the my one maybe the one weakest
weakness.
point.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's nice to hear about your strengths and weakness. So you said you are a team player, means you manage the team, you can
Yes.
manage the team. So you will be a team lead. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what qualities you will check when you are selecting your team?
Oh, first of all, I understand what are the rules and what are the responsibilities for me as a team leader, and which are the responsibilities for the worker. So that means the assistant for me, or the I can say which are colleagues for me, colleagues
Yes.
which are doing the same work with me. Okay,
Yes. Correct.
then I selected the what are the aesthetic points. So according to that aesthetic points, we're going for complete that job work within the given period of time. Then with the high quality, that means better quality, and uh, that means that project will be good within the same given period of time.
Yes. But what qualities you will check in that your colleagues when you are selecting them? Means we have given you that uh, authorization to
Yes.
select the team from these people.
Yes,
So
sir.
what qualities you will check in the employees? What qualities you need in your team? You think that qualities your team
So
should be?
okay, sir. Sir, team members should have the deep knowledge of that project. That means all data which is required for that completion. So that
Yes.
required. The second thing, each and every colleague is one type of team leader. That means whenever we got some project, so at that time that work as a team work. So that's why each and every member considered as a team leader as well as the considered as a member. So whenever I given some you can say suggestion, I will given some points to them. So then they will retrieve the points and doing the same work within the same efficiency. So such type of people whenever join with me, so they are very better for me. So, yes, sir.
That's nice. Okay. So, Gajanan, can you tell me
Yes.
what is your biggest achievement? Means you think you have achieved in your life, and that is your biggest achievement till now.
Sir, in my life, I have completed MTech from XGS College in CAD/CAM
Okay.
branch. I know that, sir, that is from mechanical branch, core branch is mechanical, but
Okay.
that is my biggest achievement. That
Okay.
is, I have completed that in 2011 2013.
Okay. So you think that is your biggest achievement?
Yes, sir.
Means you are means like you are so much happy on that day when you cleared your MTech or you have got your
No doubt, sir, because okay, that much information not directly useful for my career, but the
but
knowledge
that
of
is
that
your
all.
biggest achievement you think by means it is not by uh, my perspective but by your perspective it is your biggest achievement. It can be anything.
Yes,
it,
yes,
it can be
yes,
your first salary also.
yes, sir.
So I think my biggest achievement is when I got my first salary. So I
Yes,
think that yes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's move to the next question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Gajanan, if any problem comes, okay. So what is your approach towards that problem, or how means what steps you take to resolve that problem?
First of all, sir, I understand what is that concept. That means
Yes.
why such type of problems are in front of me. Then I go to the deep knowledge and sometime taking the help of my colleagues or my team members also. So when we join with one meeting, so I can resolve that problem and complete that
No, means
solution.
like not in our coding or in our work, but
Yes,
besides
sir.
that also in your life, the problems will come. Okay. So
Yes,
how,
sir. Yes, sir.
what is your approach to solve that problem? Means what are your steps? Means what steps you take?
Sir, as per my knowledge, first of all, I understand that problem. Then, with calm session, that
Yes.
problem may be solved, and with
Yes.
taking some time because the time is uh, biggest point. So whenever
Yes.
we left some time, so that problem will be solved because that problem would be solved only by me. So that's why I
Yes.
taking some time. Then I will resolve that problem.
Yes. Correct. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. Okay. So
Yes.
how much time you will take to make a decision?
Sir, that depends on that problem, sir. Because
No,
that
no,
problem is
not in the problem. Means any decisions that you take. So how much time you will take in your life or in your work or anywhere? How much time you will take? Means is it
that it
depends
depends
on?
on the problem also. That depends on the situation also. Because
Yes,
what
correct.
type of problem is that? That depends on
Yes,
that problem also, sir.
yes.
I
Okay.
can't say now
Yes.
it is for 2 minutes or within
Yes.
the
Yes.
1 hour. That is not like that.
Yes. Correct. Okay. So, okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll end the HR round here and we'll start with the technical.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So, what is an HTML? What is a HTML?
So HTML is the hypertext markup language. By
Yes.
using that language, we can construct or we can design the web pages. So with the help of HTML language, we design the websites also as well as the web applications. So the HTML is the skeleton of the web page. With the help of that, we lay out the web page.
Yes. Correct. Okay. And what is an attribute of an HTML element?
Okay, sir. Attributes means which getting the extra information about the element, extra information about the HTML web page. So
Yes.
that are the
Yes. What are
attributes
the
elements.
examples? Tell me
So there
examples
are so
from it.
many attributes.
Yes.
For example, the SRC source, then
Correct.
title, then HREF, then
Yes. Correct.
width and height is also one type of attribute. Then lang, which selected declare the
Yes.
language.
Yes.
So these are the some of the attributes.
Yes. And what is a doc type?
Doc type. So doc type is the declaration of that HTML. That means which type of version we have to be selected for that documentation of the web page. So that is the HTML5.
Yes. And what are the differences between HTML4 till HTML4 and HTML5? What
Yes,
new
sir.
features came in HTML5?
In one sentence, I can say so HTML5 is more functionable as compared to HTML4. HTML5 is more
Yes.
functionable. That means so
Yes.
many functions are there. So that is directly helpful to us as like the video. That means SD video. So like that functions are come up with this HTML5.
No, this is a wrong answer. Some
So
new tags are introduced in HTML5. Can you tell me about that? New tags are introduced in HTML5. Do you know?
no, sir.
Okay, header, footer, audio, video. So these tags are not in the HTML4. These are introduced in HTML5, and these helps the HTML5 to become a more uh, search engine optimized. It increases the search engine optimization.
So my answer
So
is like that, no, sir, because I say that in HTML5 the video and audio
yes,
uh,
but
tags are
in till
added.
HTML4 we are not having direct video tag. Now we
Okay,
are
okay.
having direct video tag. Till
Yes,
HTML4 we have to use third-party applications like Flash players to add a video.
yes, sir,
Yes.
yes,
So
yes.
this is
Thank
it.
you.
Okay. Okay, we'll move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Gajanan, can you tell me which tag we use to separate the content?
Uh, Separate the content. Break tag also used for the separate the content.
Yes. And if I want to separate means I have a lot of code in that. I want a separate content for that. Means I have one row. I
Yes, sir.
want a second row. How I
Yes,
will means there is a div tag is there.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So why we use that?
Because sir, with the help of div tag, we dividing the sections and
Yes.
subsections. Because the
Yes.
div is the block element. So according to our requirement, we can divide that section into subsections.
Yes.
That's why we use the div tag.
Yes. Now you said block elements, so I am asking the most important question.
Yes, sir.
what are the differences between block level elements and inline elements?
So especially block elements, the example is due. So in
Yes.
that block element, the margin is along the four sides. Then second thing, block elements starts its new line
Correct.
from the new line. Okay, starts from new line. Then one more point is that block elements having width is equal to the width of its parent.
Correct.
And the inline element exactly opposite. Inline element having a margin is only from the left side and right side. There is no margin from the top and bottom. They
Yes,
start from the
correct.
same row, starts from the same row. And the last and most important point is that the width of that line element is equal to the width of the content.
Yes, correct. Correct. Okay. And what is CSS?
So CSS, the full form is very simple. That is cascading style sheet.
Yes.
The most important use of this CSS in my language is that to decorate the HTML web page. That means the page which is in static condition, we convert into functional condition. So that's why we use the CSS.
CSS. Yes. So it is used to style the HTML element as well
Yes,
as a web page,
yes, yes, yes.
styling the web pages.
Yes.
Okay. So in how many ways we can apply CSS?
So there are the basically three ways. That means inline. That means directly we apply, that is with the tag. Then internal, also called as the embedded, and then external.
Yes, correct. And which is having the highest precedence?
The precedence of inline uh, inline is
CSS.
more
More.
specificity.
Yes.
More.
Yes. And in how many ways we can select an HTML element into a CSS file?
So
Means how many types of selectors are there in CSS?
so basically there are four types of selector. That means attribute selector is there, relational selector is there, pseudo selector, pseudo class selector, pseudo element selector, then universal selector, then class selector, then ID selector. So these are the
Yes.
some of the selectors. With the help of that, we can give the CSS.
Yes. And there are tag, class, and ID. In that, which is having the highest precedence or specificity?
Sir, ID has a more specificity as compared to the class
Yes.
and tag.
Yes. And how we calculate a specificity?
So there is one formula, that means one formula, that is specificity. First of all, tag. First of all, ID, then class, and then ID. That means suppose there is no use of any you can say CSS style. So at that time the formula is 0, 0, 0. If we use the ID, then 1, 0, 0. So like that we can find out the specificity.
Yes, correct. Okay. So next, what is a float?
Sir, for a float we can use for floating that element. That means toward the left side or toward the right side according to our requirement.
Yes, correct. Correct.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
Yes. So by this we'll come to the end of your technical also. So do you have any questions for me?
Sir, my question is not only for you, sir. My question is as well as for Ravi sir also. So Ravi sir told us one information. So if our HTML page, that means our coding is suppose semantic coding, or by with the help of SEO we can organize that. So in that situation, our website or our application is at the front page or at the front level.
Yes.
Yes, sir. But if that application or that web page is suppose paid, then how it is possible, sir? That is suppose that site is paid site.
Yes.
So my question is that, sir.
Okay, means you are asking if it is a paid site.
Yes.
Okay, so how
That
we
is not
open
depends
that?
on SEO. My yes, sir.
SEO means I'm
That
not
means
getting.
SEO, sir. Search engine optimization. That means semantic coding.
Means your question is for only you are thinking about front end is SEO is calculated. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will tell you any web application, when any web application is developed, will firstly end this.